Hi, my name is Corin Wiskman, and I'm here in the Scrapbook.com studio with their exclusive sponge daubers. These are awesome. They even fit my chubby fingers. It's so great. They're clear, and I've never seen them clear before. And they also stack like so. They come in sets of 40, 10, and 3. You can buy them in this cylinder case or in this one that opens up. It's more square. And you can do so many different techniques. I'm just going to show you one today. So I'm going to take the Build a Bunting stamp set and an acrylic block, and we're going to do some Christmas plaid with the daubers. Okay, so I'm just going to pull off some of the plaid banner images, and we're going to stamp them first in pine. I'm an over inker, so I really like to get it nice and inky. Okay, that's pretty good. It's nice and green. So we just want to turn it over, stamp it down. I don't really care where I'm stamping it on the paper because I'm going to cut it out. So I'm just going to stamp it down. I like to wait for a few seconds, let it marinate on the paper before I pull it back up. Oh, that's not good. Let's do it again. Re-ink, and just go below it. Make sure you're getting even pressure. Give it a little jiggle. That's much better. We're going to take a red dauber and we're going to go into cardinal red, and we're just going to apply some of the red ink over top the stamping that we already did. It's okay if it looks messy because we're going to cut it out. And you can do that with all of your plaid. And just give that a few minutes to dry before you handle it, because you could get inky fingers if you try to cut it out right away. When I do this, I like to cut off a lot of the paper that I'm not going to use. It just makes it easier for me. Just go right down the line. I'm going to go very close to the image. I'm not going to leave any space. And then you have a really cute Christmassy or buffalo plaid even. So now I'm going to use the Birthday Wishes stamp set to stamp a sentiment in the same type of way using the daubers. So I'm going to use Celebrate, because even though it's a Birthday Wishes stamp set, you can celebrate just about anything, including Christmas. So we're going to go in with the dauber into the ink directly. Get it nice and juicy. And then we're going to start to apply the ink wherever you want the red. This ink is hybrid, so it has some pigment properties in it, which makes this technique easier to perform. It's harder to do this with dye ink. Then once I have it all nice and inked up, I'm going to take it to my paper, stamp it down, give it good, even pressure, and it looks all Christmassy and celebrate-y. So I love this technique so much that I want to do an ombre birthday the same exact way, just using different colors of inks and these awesome sponge daubers. So I'm going to take my Leaning Tower of sponge daubers here and start with the lightest color, get it nice and inky, and I'm going to start from the B of birthday. I love that these sponge daubers fit my finger. It usually feels like it's jammed in there, but these are nice. They have nice room for my chubby fingers. Go on to the next color, the darkest, and just add it after that. And I like to go back to the lighter color and just go over top of it again. And then go to the next darkest. And continue on your sentiment. Now we're ready to stamp. We just bring it to our paper. Stamp it down. Even pressure. Give it a little jiggle. Oh, if that had some glitter, oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I'm taking a Wink of Stella, I think it's a Wink of Stella shimmer pen, and it just adds a little bit of glitter and shine. And I'm just going to take it around the natural lines of the brush script and just adding a little bit of shimmer to this beautiful pink sentiment. It just gives it a little special touch. What little girl wouldn't love a birthday that's glittery? I use these sponge daubers on a lot of different projects. They're very useful. You could even put your kids to work if they had to clean something very small. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!